Hello students, today I have discussed on square root 5 represent on the number line. So see how it represent on the number line square root 5. So first one, if I draw the line and suppose if I take a measurement 1, see 0, it is also called A and this one is B. So distance between A and B is what? 1 centimeter. So distance between AB is equal to what? 1 centimeter. See, first our question is what? Square root 5 represented on the number line. So first one 1 centimeter, and if I take another straight line like 1 centimeter, suppose, so our BC is what? Also 1 centimeter we take, and then if I join the line, so this one is perpendicular. Perpendicular means what? This one is 90-degree form. So that's why can we say triangle ABC is right angle triangle. ABC is nothing but is right angle triangle. See, and whenever right angle triangle, so it means we use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem is what? First one, okay, so we use Pythagoras theorem, and Pythagoras theorem is what? So hypotenuse square is equal to 1 side square plus another side square. And first one, a question arise in our mind, what is hypotenuse? So this one is, if I consider angle B as a right angle, so opposite side of a right angle, it's called hypotenuse. So can we say AC is our hypotenuse, angle B is 90-degree and AC is hypotenuse. So therefore AC is our hypotenuse. Then one side, so if I consider AB as a one side plus another side, it means we consider BC is another side. Okay, so AC we don't know, so AC square is equal to, the measurement of AB is what? 1 centimeter plus the measurement of BC is what? Also 1 centimeter. So 1 square is what? 1 plus another 1 square is 1. So 1 plus 1 is what? 2. So AC square is 2. But we have to find AC, not AC square. So if you want to remove square, so you have to take square root. Okay. So AC square is equal to 2. So AC is what? Square root 2. So this one is AC square is 2 and AC is equal to square root 2, because whenever you want to remove the square, so you have to take square root in another side. So that's why here if you want to remove square, so you have to take square root. So that's why our AC, measurement of our AC is what? Square root 2. But actually what is our question? Our main question is that square root 5 represent on the number line, but here only square root 2. So our process is also continue. So if I consider another 1 centimeter, and this one is C and D, CD, and if I joint to O, O means what? Origin point. So if I join this, okay, and also consider angle C in this particular triangle. When we talk about this triangle, so particular angle B is right angle, but if I consider triangle ACD, okay, so ACD, here triangle is triangle ABC, then here another triangle is ACD, okay, so this one is number 1, okay. Second number, triangle ACD, if I consider triangle ACD, and same rule whichever applicable here, because triangle ACD is also another right angle triangle, so angle C is 90 degree, so that's why opposite sides of a right angle is also called hypotenuse. So AD is hypotenuse, so that's why AD square means, why we take AD square, because the formula is here, hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus another side square. So that's why our hypotenuse, if I consider angle C as a 90 degree, so AD is our hypotenuse, is equal to one side, so one side is AC plus another side is CD, okay. So see, AD square we don't know, so that's why we put here same AD square, and AC, so AC is actually AC we have here to find AC is equal to what? Square root 2, so put here square root 2 whole square plus CD. So if I consider CD as a 1 centimeter, so put here 1 square, then square root 2 square. So square root 2 square is nothing but, we don't square root into square root, so what do you get? Square root 2 into square root 2, so square gone, so that's why our answer is what? 2. So here square root 2 is 2 plus 1 square is equal to 1, so 2 plus 1 is what? 3. So AD square is equal to 3, so that's why AD is equal to what? If you want to remove square, same process whichever here applicable, AC square, if you want to remove square, so you have to take square root in another side, so same process will be here. If you want to square, so square root, it means the value of AD is what? The value of AD is square root 3. But our process is not here end, because actually main question is what? Our square root 5 represent on number line. So our process is continue till if you not get square root 5. So here also 1 centimeter we take, and this one is E, okay, and if you join E to O, yeah, A, main point, okay. So another triangle you have to consider, triangle ADE. Okay, so another triangle is what? Another triangle is triangle ADE. Okay, so particularly in this question also, if you consider triangle ADE, so angle D as a 90 degree, so that's why if angle D as a 90 degree, so opposite sides of a right angle is what? So it's a hypotenuse. So our hypotenuse particularly in this triangle AE, so therefore AE square is equal to AD square plus DE square. AD, the value of AD is what? The value of AD is square root 3. So if I place here value of AD square root 3 plus D square, so D square is what? 1 square, and if square root 3, same process, square root 3 square means what? Square root 3 into square root 3, so square gone, so what you get? 3. So this one is what? 3 plus 1, so 3 plus 1 is what? 4. So AE square is equal to 4. So that's why can we say AE is equal to square root 4? That's square root 4, or can we say square root 4? So 2 square is what? 4. 2 square is 4. So square root 4 is what? 2 also. So AE is what? Square root 4. But in this particular question, square root 5. So square root 5 represent, but here only we have to find here square root 2, square root 3 and square root 4. All the numbers which you get, but final number is what? Square root 5. So again repeat the process. E, then if I consider F and 1 centimeter if I take, and if join the point F and also this point, it means any point you have to join with a point, means origin point. Okay, in particularly this triangle, if I consider triangle AEF, okay, so triangle AEF. Okay, so in triangle particularly AEF, angle E is 90 degree, and if suppose I consider angle E as a 90 degree, then we know that opposite side of right angle is also called hypotenuse. So hypotenuse AF square is equal to AE square plus EF square. It means the rules is here, Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square is equal to one side square plus another side square. So AF is what? So AF, the value of AF is not known, so AF square as it is AE square. So AE square, the value of AE is which get here, so square root 4 square plus EF as a consider 1 centimeter. So therefore AF square root 4 is what? 4 plus 1 square is what? 1 also. So 4 plus 1 is what? 5. So AF square is equal to 5. So AF is equal to square root 5. So the value of AF is what? Square root 5. Okay, but square root 5 which get 1 here, but actually our question is what? Our question is square root 5 represent on number line. So it means square root 5 is here, but represent on number line, particularly talk on number line. So if I consider A as a center, and take a measurement, take a radius. Okay, so here the point is what? The point is if I take A as a center A as a center, okay, A as a center, and take AF as a radius, okay, A as a center and AF as a radius, okay, with the help of rounder compass. So if you take A as a center and AF as a radius and draw an arc, AF as a radius, it means what? Because the measurement of AF is what? The measurement of AF is square root 5. AF is equal to square root 5. And so to take a radius AF and draw an arc, which intersect on number line. Okay, which intersect on a number line like this one. Okay, so suppose if I consider here intersect on a number line at a point P, okay, so this one is P and P corresponds at square root 5. So this one is square root 5. So I think the whole method it is covered in this, and another method you have to solve. So we discuss another method. The question is same, but if you want to solve by another method, so we will discuss in our next video. Thank you. And if you like my video, so click on like button and also share in your friends and family. Please subscribe my channel SSPA tutorial. Okay, thank you.